Trapped in daily operations? Let me walk you through how to step back without losing control so you can lead growth, not just manage chaos. Namaste, I am Abanibhusan Bera, AI-driven MSME growth strategist and sales excellence coach. I am leading India's MSME AI-driven growth revolution to help MSMEs double their revenue in 3 years using AI tools, structured systems, and Vedantic clarity. This video is part of a special series I created to share real-world lessons, timeless insights, and powerful shifts for your business. Let's dive in. Why founders stay stuck in daily operations? Let's begin by calling out what keeps most MSME founders trapped in daily operations. First is control attachment. You think, if I let go, quality will drop. Second is lack of documentation. No one can take over because the process is only in your head. Number 3, unclear roles. Your team asks you everything because they are not sure who else owns the task. Number 4, fear of delegation. You have been burned before, so now you say, it's faster if I just do it myself. And number 5, ego identity. You have unknowingly tied your value to being the one who solves everything. The founder trap isn't in your business, it's in your mindset. To grow, you must switch from being the engine to being the architect. Let's walk through an imaginary use case inspired by real MSME patterns. An MSME founder runs a marketing services agency focused on local retailers. Team strength 6, monthly revenue 5 to 6 lakhs rupees, founder's life 12-hour days, 40 plus messages per day, exhausted but indispensable. She approves every piece of creative, every proposal, every team request, every calendar entry. She feels like the business depends on her, but deep down she is tired. We worked on a 5-step founder exit plan. You will get it shortly. She started documenting tasks using Loom and Google Docs, promoted her operations assistant into a project manager role, built a decision ladder system, created a weekly stand-up plus Friday system review, and took a 3-day digital detox. What happened? First, client work was delivered with fewer errors. Second, team started solving problems independently. Third, founder focused on building a referral pipeline. And fourth, she reclaimed 10 plus hours per week. She didn't disappear. She repositioned from responder to designer. Now here is your step-by-step playbook to remove yourself from daily execution. Step number 1, document what you do daily. For 3 to 5 days, track your activities. Use voice notes or Google Sheets. Ask, what do I repeat? What can someone else handle with SOP? What feels heavy but not strategic? What's the output? Your founder task dump. Step number 2, classify tasks into 3 buckets. Take your task dump and classify first as delegate immediately, admin, scheduling, updates, etc. Second is systemize and then delegate, lead tracking, onboarding, quality review, etc. And third is founder-only tasks, vision planning, team culture, strategic deals. What's the output? A clear handover pipeline. Step number 3, create SOPs and templates. Use simple formats, Loom plus Google Docs, checklists in Notion or ClickUp, step-by-step written instructions. Start with client onboarding, proposal sending, weekly task reviews. What's the output? Repeatable foundational systems. Step number 4. Promote or hire for ownership roles. Look inside your team first. Can someone take over delivery tracking, manage project flow, handle client queries with templates? Don't hire experts, hire owners. Step number 5. Install founder-free operating rhythms. Weekly team stand-up, 15 to 20 minutes. Friday system check, 30 minutes. Monthly review dashboard. So, your presence becomes optional, not operational. Let's now talk about the inner game that supports this transition. First is replace perfection with process. You don't need the team to do it your way. You need it done well enough. 80% outcome by others is better than 100% burnout by you. Number 2 is control the culture, not every task. Focus on clarity, communication, rhythm, and feedback. Culture scales, control strangles. Number 3, let go to grow. Every time you hand off a task, ask yourself, what could I now do with this free energy? Vision, content, sales design, strategic partnerships, etc., etc. Growth begins when ego exits execution. Let's now revisit the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, verse number 66. Abandon all attachment and simply surrender to me. I will deliver you from all reactions. Now let's translate that into our MSME context. Let go of attachment to roles you have outgrown. Trust the system you build. Step back, not out but up. In the Gita, surrender doesn't mean inaction. It means trusting higher order over personal control. In business, that higher order is your system and team. Here is your execution plan to remove yourself from daily chaos. Day 1, do a 3-day task audit. Day 2, classify your tasks into 3 buckets. Day 3, record 2 Loom videos and document 2 SOPs. Day 4, delegate 1 process to a team member. Day 5, create a weekly team rhythm. Day 6, block 2 hours for strategic thinking. And day 7, take a 3-hour break. No phone, no meetings. Founder freedom doesn't require a big team. It requires bold clarity. Let's recap this powerful transition. You don't have to disappear to grow. You need to document, delegate, and design. Your business should work even when you rest. Remove yourself from daily operations so you can lead with vision. If this video sparked a shift in how you think, take the next step. I am hosting a free masterclass on how MSMEs can 2x revenue using AI and systems. Click the link bit.ly/MSMEAI webinar. Hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.